and we are doing our duty as citizens. He needs to do his duty as a citizen, and he needs to tell us what may be in his taxes that may pose a problem in terms of his conflicts of interest or in terms of who he's working for and with who he owes money to.
He claims that undocumented immigrants don't pay their taxes or don't do their share for the country, when my family is undocumented and they've paid thousands in taxes, but we're not getting anything from the president, from the person that's supposed to be leading the country and setting a good example for us.